Are we humans ready for the upcoming disaster?
Do we already know about it?
Can it be prevented or not?
So what is this upcoming disaster?
It is climate change, and believe us, it is going to be deadlier and devastating.
Have you ever think that why we are facing increasing number of disasters every year? Why we are facing uneven weather throughout the year? This is all due to climate change and it has been started.
Human activities have increased CO2 emissions and it is driving up temperatures. The Earth's average temperature is about 15 degrees Celsius. It's been fluctuating in the past but never been so high till now. The Earth's 5 warmest years are 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19. And among top 10 warmest years on the Earth, there are 9 after 2005. Due to industrialization, the Earth is now about 1 degree hotter than ever.
So what are the consequences? Due to increasing CO2, the air temperature will go up and more water will be evaporated. Satellites have shown us drastic melting of ice sheets and glaciers recently. Due to this melting, polar bears and other animals will lose their habitat and it will be dangerous for their existence and ours also. The melting ice sheets will cause increasing sea levels, which results in increasing number of floods, storms and cyclones, etc.
We were not responsible for the current pandemic, but we are responsible for the upcoming things. This can change our life and this will destroy the humanity. First, as an individual action, we have to plant as more trees as possible because it is reducing carbon dioxide in the environment. We have to use renewable sources of energy and promote eco-friendly products in our country. The smallest thing that you can do is just clearing your email. By just clearing your email, you can save our environment. If you cleared only 30 emails from your list, it will save an energy consumption of a bulb of a 1 day. Suppose you planted a tree, but only a small signature over a government paper will cut a lot of trees to make industries and monuments and buildings. Government should take further steps and also give a big budget to climate change to save the environment and our country.